Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with it, I will do it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever we do, nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you, you're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things we put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
I saw your beat, yo. Now that me get that off of my chest, and me have evidence that you are breed for Bingy, now we can figure out what we are going to do.
Look how you bust up my mouth. Me I go tell Susie right now.
So, you going to tell Susie say you breed fair man? Or that me a breed fair man? Please, make up your mind.
See that now? The cross is Bingy run gone home to him happy home. After he make all of this happen.
So you never know, see some man stay. You need to go read the man manual.
So where you get that from? I want to buy a copy.
Boy, they get a fool, sir. Go Google it, Keisha.
Romain, I am not at home. I am in St. Elizabeth. I'm not coming home until tomorrow. So I will call you when I get home.
I'm going to book a hotel for tonight and tomorrow. When you reach home, I'll come by and I'll stay at your house for the rest of my stay in Jamaica.
Romain, that's not possible right now.
What do you mean by that's not possible? Why would I be working in the snow to send you money to fix up your house if I can't stay there?
Romain, me have something to tell you. But you have to go promise me say you're not going to get upset. Because me very fragile right now. And the doctor say any little stress will affect the baby.
Susie, I've been having some serious doubts about you and the things you have been saying and doing lately. Let me hear what you have to say now.
I don't have the house anymore.
What? Susie, please don't do it. I am not in the mood for your foolishness.
Romain, remember me tell you, please nobody get so upset. You can't, at this time when I'm pregnant, you have to talk to me very soft. May I beg you, please, because I just start short, me start feel bad, and the baby start move already. Please, Romain, nobody get upset. Please, me I go explain it. Let me explain it to you, please. Listen, I kind of lose the house. I wasn't paying the mortgage, so the bank take back the house from me. I mean, I throw one partner for help clear up my debt, but when it was near for me get the job, the woman run gonna foreign with the money, so the bank never have no choice than to take back the house from me.
Susie, I just had a long flight. I am tired and hungry, so I'll call you back when I'm settled.
Oh God, Satan a try test me, but Satan, you're not gonna win today. Alright, me have to come up with a plan, but the plan have to go work upon both Bingy and Romain. What me I go do now? Alright, Susie, put on your thinking cap. What me I go do? Oh, alright, yes. Me I go do this, and then me do that. Me I go do it by Romain first, or do it by Bingy first. Alright, any one of them. Alright, let me do this here first.
Susie, where you going? You're not making breakfast for me and the children.
Bingy, remember I am pregnant. You need to have some sympathy for me. I'm pregnant now, you know.
No, sir. So pregnancy put your two hand them pan park. Or when you see the kitchen, you get nauseous. Susie, no make me you have nothing.
Alright, Bingy, gosh man. Maybe go fry 2 egg. You want tea bag or you want sour sap leaf in it? Boy, me a telling you don't have no mercy upon no woman. No man of it and so. We are woman and we are feeling, you think say being pregnant I want easy sitting. This whole heap of sick man in sickness and vomiting. And me still have to take care of the kids them and take care of you. And Bingy, you not even look into yourself. You not work and me and wanna work. And you can't even look into yourself and say make you help out your woman. No, sir.
You know what? Make me left here, sir. Me I go juicy beef go buy me good breakfast.
Bingy go on. Me have bigger problem on him and feed him breakfast. Lord Jesus. Make me call Natasha.
Susie, what's up?
Natasha, What is the name of your friend baby store? They want to sell everything.
The bridge. It do up a Constant Spring Road. Yeah, buy up baby clothes for me.
Something like that. We call you later.
Susie, what bring you there? A long time I hear you say nothing about him.
He's at home. He kind of traumatized. Him say yesterday he's a 2 truck crash, so I guess it affect him mental state. So what him don't want him alright, not do him.
Barry, you know say the one Natasha set me up.
Bingy, what you mean by Natasha set you up?
You know me no feel comfortable I tell you nothing. Next thing I gotta tell back Susie.
Stop the foolishness. Tell Susie what? You think me a mama, man?
Me just got half of what Susie tell me the other day.
Bingy, you there with so much woman and still no know woman stay. Them we corner you and tell you all type of things when they want to find out something.
The one Natasha called me at her yard. When me reach, you know say the girl have Keisha a hide in the room.
What a ras gal. So what go down? Did they beat you?
Beat me. The two of them put on a piece of fight. Me no bother get involved. Me just left the two of them there fight and come at me yard.
So Bingy, you really run away?
Hello, welcome to the bridge. How may I help you today?
Hi, ma'am. You see, my little daughter and I want to play at our school. And the role when they give her to play, she play the wife we're pregnant. So, me and look one of the artificial belly they fi put pan her. You have any?
Mommy, at $20,000 for those. I want the sale, but you don't need to spend so much money. Just stuff some clothes on your daughter's belly.
Yeah, that is a good idea. But me I look the real one, cause she a ball. Me try use the cloth pan her belly and she a ball, so she no want it kind of look good. So me want a real one. You have anywhere like 3 months? Plus her daddy a force me to buy it, mom. All me I tell him say no, him say buy her what she want. So there's nothing much me can do about it, cause I am a spending money and I ain't like a princess. So me tell him say he cannot spoil her like that, cause you know when him not have it a go hard for him tell her no. But he not listen to me, so me decide what them say. Me decide what them say. You know, sometimes you have to just please them and not bother with the idiot, yeah.
The 3-month one is $30,000.
Boy, the sitting them where you do for your picnic them. You have to make them comfortable, master. I'm a one girl. Alright. I'll take that one.